Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth with Scott Leroy Marketing. In this tip video, I'm going to show you how to use our flyer templates on our website, scottleroymarketing.com. So we're going to start today in Google Chrome Incognito. A couple of these features are going to work best with Google Chrome. There are workarounds for the other browsers, but today I'll show you in Google Chrome. And we're going to start with our website. Again, that's scottleroymarketing.com. scottleroymarketing.com. And there's actually two different ways to get to these templates. The first way is you can type in /templates after our website, or you can hover over this KW Resources tab, then click Templates from there. So I'm going to click Templates under KW Resources. Next, we're going to be prompted to log in. You're just going to enter your KW Market Center number, which is generally the last few digits of your MCA's email address, the KLRW email address. Or you can find it at the very top of MyKW, which is mykw.kw.com. There are a handful of offices that use passwords instead of Market Center numbers. So if you are one of those offices, make sure you enter your password. So I'm just going to enter one and click Login. That will allow you to see this page, our templates page. Again, you can access this by going to scottleroymarketing.com/templates or clicking Templates under KW Resources. On this page, you'll see brief description, then a step-by-step video on how to use the email signature templates, and then the list of all of the templates. They're listed in alphabetical order. So you want to find the template you would like to use. Today we're going to do a just listed flyer. But we have many choices here to choose from for both agent and leadership. Once we choose our template, we're just going to click on the button and it'll open a new tab. First, we'll see a couple of folders here of different sizes, and then a few files with not within a folder. So today I'm going to go into the 8.5 by 11 templates. Feel free to browse the rest of them though. Next, you'll see a whole lot of different types of flyers here. Feel free to explore these and pick which option you would like best. Once you select one, you simply click to open, and that'll open in a new tab. Next, you're going to see the template open here, and the other page will be the instructions. So in case you forget any of these steps, you can check out the instructions here. You'll also notice that this says View Only, this yellow button here. This is the current permissions that are on this document. So with View Only, you can only view this document. You won't be able to edit this. This is our template. So what you want to do instead is click File, and then you'll see Make a Copy is grayed out because this is an incognito window and I'm not signed in yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Sign in the top right corner. And then we're going to sign in using any Gmail address. You can use a personal Gmail or a KW email. Again, you would enter any Gmail address, KW or not. And once you enter that email address and password, that'll take you back to the design. And you'll see now we're logged in. So now when we go to File, Make a Copy, you'll see it not grayed out and a few options. So if you are already logged in, you'll see these as well. Now we're going to select File, Make a Copy, Selected Slides. I have the template chosen, not the instructions, and I'm going to choose Selected Slides. Feel free to rename this as you wish. You can also place this in any folder you'd like in your Google Drive. If you have different folders within your drive, like for templates, for flyers, you can choose those. Next, click OK. And you'll see that opens up a new tab with the editable version. So you won't see that View Only button anymore. Next, we're just going to edit this flyer so it's how we want to see it. You can simply click on each image and then come up to the top and click Replace Image and either upload from your computer if you have the pictures already saved. You can search the web, search your Google Drive, Google Photos by URL or camera. For this example, I'm just going to use the web. And I'm going to add this picture here. And then you can do the same for the remainder of the images. Continuing on, replacing all of the ones already on the template with the ones particular to your listing. Now, another way to replace these images is to right-click on the image, then go to Replace Image, then Upload or Search. Once we have all of the images, then we can go to the text. And I'm going to zoom in here to show you a little bit closer. There we go. Perfect. So now I'm going to replace the address. And the city. And then some house info. For instance, 3 bed, 2 bath. Maybe the price. And maybe the open house time. You can also change the size of the text, the font, any of the formatting, the color even, or if you want it highlighted. So lots of different options up here. Just hover over them to figure out which ones they are. And then last but not least, if you would like to change the just listed on the flyer, for instance, the gradient or color or font or formatting, feel free to do that as well. But once you're done with the whole design and you're happy with it, there's a couple of different options you can use. You can go File, Download as a JPG image. This is good for social media like Facebook. You can also download as a PDF. This is good if you want to send it to a printer to be printed, or even send it to yourself to print it at your office. And last but not least, you can always straight print from Google Chrome. Now there's also a couple different options within here. If you have a design with more than one page, you can also change the destination printer to save as PDF, which is Google Chrome's version of a PDF printer. You may also have Microsoft's version, print to PDF, that you can choose if you're not in Google Chrome. But if you just wanted to select the one page, if there are more than one page, you can choose Custom, and then the page number, and then Save to save as PDF. Of course, if you have any questions about this or anything else, reach out to us by email or by phone, and we'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching and hope you have a wonderful day.